Today's the day. Let's do this. Okay. Alright, so how are you feeling?
I've just prepared for it so much that I'm just good that it's getting done and it's getting over with. And
She just
I'm
got
excited.
That's good.
I'm very excited. I've been waiting, like, measuring the hair every day. To make sure it was the whole,
They say 10, but usually 8.
Well, yeah, I checked, because I'm at 9.5. Is it enough? And then it ended up being 8.
So you're good, definitely.
But it is weird. It's going to be a big shock the first time.
It will be. I won't deny, but you'll love it.
Any last words you would like to say about it?
I'm so excited. Goodbye, hair. Everyone said goodbye to it already, so I'm just the last one to say goodbye. I'm ready to go. So it's a big trip, but I'm glad I get 2 whole donations towards the 6 that make a wish. So this is going to be 1/3 of some new hair. So I'm very excited about it. I feel so young with the pigtails.
Oh, for sure. Alright, girlfriend, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Want to get right in on it, or? No more drinks.
Yeah, just a little bit shorter.
Yeah. And I wondered if you could, it's just a little dry already.
Okay.
There we go.
How's it feel? So light?
Yes. And you choose short hair that like instantly your face looks
That's a good, like, where did I hit on that side?
Yeah, like, yeah.
Oh, I love it.
There's a little bang for the hair.
Thank you.
So we'll start off with a little scalp massage, and then we'll get you all shampooed.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. They're cruel.
Yeah.
And so it was hard on her, and when she finally did get the wig, it made such a difference.
Yeah, and
And-
self-confidence just went through the roof.
Exactly. It's like you feel beautiful again. And it's so important. And, finally, I usually cut my hair about once a year, like pretty short.
Yeah.
But I was looking at it and I went, if I wait a couple more months, I can donate it.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that this will become,
An annual
thing, because my hair grows really fast. So it's really handy, just 1 year and it'll be back down there.
Yeah, exactly.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling awesome. I love it. And I'm very excited for it.
It's very cute.
I'm going to have to remember how to style this. They always are for like that, a couple hours after a haircut. You're just finding hair everywhere.
I think it looks adorable.
I have cute hair!
They're gone. So 2 donations for Pantene's Beautiful Lengths. It's kind of weird to hold your own hair in your hands. Like, you're not really sure that it's supposed to feel like this in your hands, and it's kind of freaking me out, so I'll probably just go and put them away. Anyway, the new hair. What do you guys think? I love it, and I'm really happy that I did this, and I really hope that this video makes you guys laugh, it makes you guys go, oh my gosh, what did she do to her head? And most of all, I want this to make you all start thinking about ways that you can help other people. So I'm not talking about huge things, I'm talking about little things every day. Which brings me to my little contest that I'm going to be starting. Now, here's the rules. You can only be included in the vote if you leave me a video response telling me what is something that you've done recently, which is something that you've done to help someone else. So, have you been volunteering your time? Have you donated some money to a fund? Have you worked in any community programs. I just want to hear what you guys are doing out there to make our world a better place. So, once you leave me the video response or the comment, then you can vote on which color I'm going to dye my hair. Most popular vote gets it. That's simple enough. So get to it. Get help in the world. Bye!